Hello everyone. So today I'm going to make myself a homemade Ghana cake. And it's I'm going to make it quick. I'm going to be adding all my ingredients together. I'm going to be adding all my ingredients together. And I don't have any way of measuring anything, so I'm just going to put them as I would want my cake to turn out. Okay, and I'll speak English and at the same time speak Ghana language. Okay, I don't for me na and then baba Ghana cake, me kwando Ghana cake. Na me nema ewa hase me baba cheche ni na. Nti me ni skill a me di be ka say we 1 pound, we 2 pound. Nti me said them person me cake me turn out, me say na me be measure me nema. Me ka ni na agum wa na me de me whisk ni na together. E be come out all right. Yeah, sometimes you don't have to. And I know the professionals in the kitchen measure and put pounds and weight and all that, but me, I'm not a professional. But I still have to enjoy the cake that I want to do. I have 6 cake here. 6 eggs. 6 egg. I'm going to add some sugar and some margarine. And I'm going to mix it, whisk it together to the desired texture. And then I'll add my flour. I'll add nutmeg, a teaspoon. And then a tablespoon of baking powder. I'll add vanilla, a teaspoon of vanilla essence. I'll add a couple of spoons of the milk. I'll squeeze this fresh orange into it. And this is just optional, just to make my cake colorful. So this is my ladle. I have flour, all-purpose flour, and granulated sugar, white sugar, and that's my butter. So as I said, I'm going to add everything together again. And for here we will cake, we will kosua 6. Me the nutmeg, the baking powder, the vanilla essence, milk, and I'm orange juice. Me orange I may squeeze the 1 ladle. This 1 ladle. This is 2. 2.5. I don't like my sugar stuff to be my cake to be too sweet. I don't like sweet cake. So I'll make it to my desired way. Alright. You can see this spoon here is a little bigger than the tablespoon. I'm going to use it to get my margarine butter, whatever they call this. I'm going to add some to it. I have my 9-year-old son who is my cameraman, so excuse us if it is shaking too much. He's not a professional, but he's the only help I have here. Awesome. Alright, so as you can see, bring it closer inside. As you can see, I'm going to whisk it all together. Whisk it all together. I've whisked this for about 10 minutes now. So what I'm going to do is that I'll add my vanilla essence. I'll add the vanilla essence. That's it. I added 2 of it. Alright. I'll add my milk. The milk, I do it generously, about 3 of them. I'm going to squeeze my orange into it. squeeze the juice from my orange with my squeezer like this. And I'll add the extract to it, to my water, like that. I will add it. Now I'm going to be adding my flour. I'll add as many as I want till I get the texture that I want. One, two, three, four, and I will add my nutmeg using my teaspoon. So you can see it's just 1 teaspoon. The nutmeg. I'll add the baking powder. 1, 2, 3.